We're always looking for ways to improve our overall well being and longevity. Turns out, one of those ways is probably sitting on a shelf in your pantry. Tea is one of the most common beverages in the world, and it's also one of the healthiest. Today's article will go over many different types of teas, the best tea for brain health, the benefits of tea, and how tea can help improve your focus. What is the best tea for the brain? It's no coincidence that tea is commonplace across the globe. Not only does it taste delicious, but it also provides numerous health benefits. One of the major benefits of tea is that it can help improve brain health. And if you want to improve your longevity, your brain health will play a significant role. Here are some of the best teas for brain health. Rosemary. You may think of rosemary as an herb used in savory dishes, but it's also often found in tea. Gotu kola. Gotu kola is a Chinese herb that's often found in Chinese herbal medicine. Green tea. One of the most popular and healthiest teas. Ginger. Often used as a spice, ginger tea can also help improve cognitive function and prevent neurological diseases. Turmeric. Turmeric can trigger the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, which tells the brain to perform at higher levels. We will go over some of the teas mentioned above in greater detail later in the article. What is the best tea to support the brain? According to research conducted by the Tea Association of the USA, you can find tea in 80% of US households. It's even more prevalent in areas around the world known as blue zones. These are regions where the average lifespan of the inhabitants are higher than anywhere else in the world. Many have wondered if there is a direct correlation between the increased lifespan in these regions and the high consumption of tea. Researchers recommend reading ingredient labels before purchasing the tea. Store-bought tea that contains added sugar isn't going to have the effects you're looking for. Also, different herbs and spices provide different health benefits. Does tea improve brain function? There are many different studies that detail the positive benefits of tea. It's important to note that some studies are directly funded by those with ties to the tea industry. However, the research is there. Tea has caffeine and L-theanine that increase alertness and focus of the brain. It may also help reduce cognitive decline and prevent age-related diseases such as Alzheimer's. Now, how does this compare to coffee, which provides similar benefits? Well, for starters, tea has less caffeine than coffee, which can help prevent the caffeine crashes that often accompany a few cups of joe. Less caffeine also means a reduced risk of heart diseases and strokes. While research has yielded various results, researchers do believe that tea can help improve brain function. What is the best tea for mental clarity? It can be difficult to focus on even the most mundane activities when you're stressed out and overworked. During these times, the only thing you could ever wish for is mental clarity. Fortunately, there may be a direct link between herbal tea for clarity and focus. Here are some of the remedies experts recommend for enhanced mental clarity. Lavender, ginkgo biloba, gotu kola, and St. John's wort. If you're taking medication, it's best to speak with your doctor before drinking any of these teas. Certain spices and herbs can cause an adverse reaction that's harmful to your overall well-being. What is the best tea for energy and focus? As mentioned earlier, tea has less caffeine than coffee, which can help prevent the horrors of a caffeine crash. But sometimes you need that extra boost for a little more energy to help you focus. If you're looking for the best tea for energy and focus, here are a few of your options. Matcha, yerba mate, peppermint tea, ginger tea, turmeric tea, green tea, pu'er tea, black tea. At the end of the day, you want to choose a tea that you're going to enjoy. What are the benefits of green tea? Green tea is one of the most popular beverages on the planet. In fact, some even label it as the healthiest beverage on the planet. That's because it's loaded with antioxidants that researchers believe provide a wide range of health benefits. Some of these benefits include improved brain function, increased fat burning, lower risk of cancer, protection from brain aging, reduced breath odor, diabetes prevention, cardiovascular disease prevention, and weight loss. green tea has a wide range of possible health benefits. What are the benefits of black tea? Just like green tea, black tea is one of the most consumed beverages on the planet. And again, just like green tea, there are many who claim it's the healthiest beverage on the planet. The high number of antioxidants and compounds found in black tea can help reduce inflammation in the body, as well as those other black tea benefits: antioxidant properties, improved heart health, improved gut health, reduced blood pressure, reduced risk of stroke, lower blood sugar levels, and reduced risk of cancer. Perhaps one of the biggest benefits of black tea is that it's easy to make. Supplements may help. Just like tea, spermidine is good for your brain health. Spermidine is a compound that helps induce a bodily function known as autophagy. This is the body's way of replacing old, damaged cells with newer, healthier cells. Unfortunately, too many fail to get their recommended daily dose of spermidine in their diet, which is why supplements can help. At spermidineLIFE, we offer spermidine supplements to help you ensure you get your recommended daily dose to improve overall well-being and longevity.
Hey there, thanks for checking us out on YouTube. I'm Daniel from Longevity Labs. We want you to know that we put a lot of time and energy into bringing you the best available information on how to live a longer and a happier life. Follow us here on YouTube or your favorite social channel and stay up to date with what we're working on. Thank you again, and it'll be worth your time.